Hi everyone and welcome to Claudia's Fusion Cuisine. Today we will be making a delicious spaghetti alla carbonara. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you receive notifications when my next recipe is out. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Well, let's start. For this recipe we need the following ingredients. Spaghetti, so you can use about 80 grams to 100 per person. I will use 180 grams for me and my husband. We are hungry. 3 eggs. Consider that it has to be 1 egg per person plus 1 more. I have about 150 grams of bacon, Parmesan cheese, pecorino romano cheese, oregano, salt and pepper to taste. We start by shredding our pecorino romano. The pecorino cheese is giving a really good flavor to your carbonara pasta. But again, if you don't find it, it's fine using just Parmesan cheese. I've been doing it so many times only with Parmesan and it's so good. I will not specify the quantities for the pecorino cheese because this is pure for flavor, so you can put as much as you want. Beat the eggs. Some people they use only the yolk. I like to use everything, but if you like to use only the yolk, it's just fine. Add some pepper, the pecorino cheese, mix everything together. And I also like to add some oregano to my mixture. And add some of the Parmesan cheese. Save some for the end. Set everything aside and we start cutting our bacon. You can use regular bacon, however I like to buy this one. I usually go to the Russian store and I buy this type of bacon. It has more flavor. Cut your bacon in long stripes. When we are done, we move over to the stove. Start boiling your water. In a frying pan, add some oil, or based on how fat is your bacon, you can skip the oil part. Mine is not that fat, so I will add a little bit of oil. Once the water is boiling, add your pasta. Remember to use the instruction from the box. And I'm going to turn down the temperature. My pasta has to boil for about 8 minutes to make it al dente. Now we move to the pan. And we add the bacon and let it cook on medium heat while we wait for the pasta. When the bacon is completely cooked and crunchy, remove it from the pan. Add a little bit of the pasta water to the pan. And then we transfer the pasta to the pan. This way the pasta will infuse with the bacon fat and take on that delicious flavor. You have to add the pasta maybe 1 minute before it's ready. We want to finish cooking it in the pan. We remove it from the fire and we add the beaten eggs. There are 2 ways to cook the eggs, so you either add it now and you then never return it to the fire. However, the eggs will remain half uncooked. I don't like my eggs raw and I cannot eat them like that, so I will cook mine well done. However, you can choose to cook them less. And we mix it up from top to bottom. You can leave the eggs like this, half raw, or you can put it back on the fire to finish cooking it, which is what I'm doing since I can't eat eggs half cooked. Add half of the bacon. Mix everything together. Add all of the bacon. Mix it a little bit more and our delicious pasta is ready. I like to add at the end a little bit of more oregano.
and some more pepper, and it's ready to be eaten.
As usual, the best way to enjoy this meal is with friends and family. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you next time.